Magandang gabi Filipinas. Welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today, I had a request from audiences. It says ID name Ariel Ladaga. Try to react again to MNL48 High Tension. Okay, thank you, Ariel, for your suggestion. I will try to watch this MNL48 High Tension. Okay. But before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to not to miss my future videos. Salamat. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go. This is yeah. This is really Japanese taste. Yeah, I feel origin from AKB48. Yeah, I'm familiar with this taste. Yeah, so this taste is cute instead of sexy or beautiful. Yeah, cute. And cheerful. But I'm wondering how Filipino feel this group. What's impression of this kind of Japanese taste girls group in the Philippines? Oh, it's so how's reputation MNL48 in the Philippines? Because this is completely Japanese taste. So so I already said cute instead of beautiful or sexy. So this kind of cute style is acceptable in the Philippines. hmm. If you know how famous or I'll say this group is good for something featuring in the Philippines, please let me know. Leave comments below, mm, because I'm curious about that. Mm, okay, MNL48. That's, yeah, completely Japanese taste. Yeah, I feel that. Today's video is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to not to miss my future videos. And leave comments below whatever you want. And if you have your suggestion, please leave comments below and also link below. Salamat. Thank you very much. Bye for now. See you again.